2020 Ford Explorer ST. This is a reject repair from the insurance company. Had collision damage to the front end, and the previous owner rejected the repairs. Paintwork, not that great. Probably the reason why he rejected it. See a little mismatch from here to there. Looks like the side was blended. Door handle's damaged. Doesn't line up too good over here. The molding's loose. Hood is a little offline. It does start, it does drive. Runs and drives actually very nice. Take a look inside. None of the airbags were deployed or replaced. Panoramic roof. Got the captain chairs in the middle. It's also a 7-passenger. Be on the website soon. Here's another door handle here too. Thanks for watching the video.